Alright guys, if you're excited, I have a fantastic video planned for you today. It's two strong buy penny stocks with both over 200% upside. So stick around. What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I appreciate you joining me on the Tip Ranks YouTube channel. If you aren't subscribed already, please consider doing that. And if you find any value at all in this video, hit that like button down there for me. We're going to talk about two strong buy penny stocks. They both have a 200% plus upside, and I'm excited to bring them to you. The first company we're going to talk about is Surgalign. So this is a company that's super innovative what they're doing. They actually just purchased another company that does some augmented reality and some artificial intelligence surgery stuff that's absolutely fantastic. So let's jump over. Let's talk about Surgalign Holdings. Ticker symbol here is SRGA. This is a medical device maker with a focus on spinal ailments and treatments. The company develops and markets a comprehensive line of devices for both surgical and non-surgical treatment of spinal problems. In October 2020, Surgalign acquired Hollow, a surgical technology maker focused on improving spine procedures with augmented reality and artificial intelligence. Surgalign filed its initial 510(k) submission to the FDA for the Hollow digital surgery platform in May and anticipates clearance during the second half of 2021. While many medical and medical-related companies found a boost in increased business during the COVID crisis, it was the opposite for Surgalign. The cancellation and reduction of many inpatient surgical procedures, both essential and elective. However, there is some evidence that the company is starting to recover. In the second quarter of 2021, the report did show a net EPS loss of 9 cents, but that was not as deep as the 12-cent loss predicted. At the top line, revenue came in at $24.8 million, growing 20% year over year. The company noted that the increase in revenue came as a partial resumption of elective surgical procedures has begun to boost demand for Surgalign products. Another big thing to note about this company, Surgalign, the CEO actually just bought $1 million more worth of shares, so he is super bullish on this company. Currently holds $2.5 million worth of shares in Surgalign right now. So let's jump over. Let's talk about what the analysts have to say about ticker symbol SRGA. Surgalign Holdings, strong buy, 6 analyst ratings with, look at that, an average upside of 211% almost. So we have price ranges anywhere from $2.50 on the low end to $4 even on the high end. And this is a stock that closed at $1.10 per share today. And this is a stock that can move really fast here. Okay, guys? So we have a few 5-star analysts giving this a big rating, anywhere from, again, $4 to $3. So fantastic price predictions there. But what do you guys think about Surgalign? Please let me know down in the comments, and then we'll talk about the second company here. It's a biotech company in a bit of a different space, but I really like Surgalign. I'm going to dig a lot more into this company. Obviously, do your own research as well, but I really like that this has over a 200% upside, and I really like that it's a stock that's right around $1 with some potential future catalysts coming, right? With that potential FDA approval of the hollow surgical stuff. So pretty cool stuff, as you guys saw with those videos there. So all right, let's jump over. The second company we're going to talk about is Flexion Therapeutics. Ticker symbol there is FLXN. Flexion is a biopharmaceutical company focused on discovering and developing new drugs for local pain relief, especially drugs that relieve osteoarthritis. So this is a company that does have at least one drug in the works right now that is marketed and sold, Zilretta. This is an extended release injectable suspension drug for knee pain due to osteoarthritis. They do have 2 other drugs in the pipeline, however, to work on pain as well. They are getting about $28 million worth of revenue per quarter for ZILRETTA, which was this last quarter was up 15% sequentially. The company's net loss, however, went down from 32.6 million to 22.2 million, so they are losing less money. Again, biopharmaceutical companies are heavy spenders. They spend a lot of money on research and development, and there are 2 drugs in the pipeline for Flexion right now. Raymond James analyst Elliot Wilbur says, with ZILRETTA sales largely back to pre-pandemic trajectory, coupled with the almost recovered patient flow base and sales increase, we view the risk reward as very favorable for Flexion. Refinancing of debt in the quarter removed any near-term financial overhang that name had, extended cash runway in 2023, furthering our positive outlook on the name. Lastly, shares recently experienced a strong sell-off period in the month of July without any change to underlying business fundamentals, providing investors with an accumulation opportunity with strong upside in the future. So, Flexion Therapeutics, ticker symbol FLXN, comes with a strong buy based on 7 analyst ratings with, look at that, a 233% upside. Fantastic potential there. We have price ranges anywhere from $6. Now this is a stock trading at $4.75 right now. So anywhere from $6 on the low end to $25 on the high end. Look at that, 426% upside. Now, not an analyst that is rated there, as you can see, but the one 5-star analyst here that is rating the stock still gives it a $14 price target from Credit Suisse there with 195% upside. So big potential upside for these 2 stocks. Please let me know down in the comments which one's your favorite, if you'd even consider investing in these stocks at all, or if you know a lot about these companies. Personally, I'm going to do a lot of research on SRGA or Surgalign. I think that's a fantastic opportunity. And it's a really cool stock that, based on their acquisition of Hollow, could be a really cool technology and moat for the future for this business. Let me know what you guys think. I appreciate each and every single one of you joining me for another video. If you aren't subscribed already, please go ahead and do that, and I'll see you in the next one.